So hi again everyone, I just wanted to come and make another video to work on the adrenal and kidney area. And so for those of you who sometimes suffer with adrenal fatigue, or you just want to get out ahead and have more energy, come right under here underneath the ball of your foot and just start working this area right here. So you can just do some rubbing. Allow yourself to be guided in terms of the amount of pressure, to put on there. And then if you want to work the kidney reflex, just come a little bit down, if you can see right here. And then just start making some hooks. You also can do some rubbing, as well. I always recommend that anytime you're working on yourself DIY body work to at least work in the area at least 60 seconds. But when it comes to the kidneys, sometimes you don't really have to work, as long. But just allow yourself to be guided. Just make some hooks there. So I'm going to go back up here to the adrenal. Now the adrenal area is an area you definitely can spend some time working. As I mentioned, at least 60 seconds, but show your adrenal some love. You can stay a little bit longer. Yeah. All right. So I just wanted to be able to provide this for those of you who are maybe having some issues in those areas right now, or again, you just want to get out ahead and just up-level your well-beingness. Also, I have a playlist below that has several videos of working in these two areas and in combination with others, so you can avail yourself to those. So I just want to provide this quick demonstration of that, and also always you can secure a copy of I Touch Myself and I Like It on Amazon, but there will be a link in the description where you can secure a copy and be able to track your well-beingness and your journey as you start this practice. So I look forward to bringing you more videos of this nature soon. Have a great day.